Nissan Stadium. This is gonna be huge.
This is your Super Bowl Super Goals edition.
Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I'm Jackie Hurtis and I'm a residential mortgage lender.
I'm Shannon Carter, I'm a real estate agent and investor.
And I'm Sasha Qualkenbush, a real estate attorney.
And we're
The Property Queens.
And we're here to tackle your real estate goals in 2019.
And in the spirit of the 2019 Super Bowl, we wanted to give you an exclusive look at Nissan Stadium, home of the Tennessee Titans.
Work hard, you got 30 more seconds. Dig deep. How bad do you want it? Great at real estate, not great at catching.
We're your go-to real estate team. We put in the work so you don't have to.
Welcome to the Property Queens press conference. Any questions?
Guy in the back?
Who's the GOAT?
I mean, it's obviously Tom Brady, let's be serious.
Fake news. All right, next question. All right.
Yeah, and for Shannon Carter. I want to buy a house. How do I get in contact with you?
That's a great question. All you do is click our arrow below and it'll expand all our contact information and you can contact us through there.
Next question.
Yeah, this one's for Jackie Hurtis. I have no idea on how to start to buy a house. Like, where do I look? What do I have to do? What's going on?
Another great question. The first step is the pre-approval. So you'd reach out, as Shannon said, hit that little expand button, reach out to me first, and we'll get you started with the pre-approval process. And from there, we'll guide you down the entire path as your real estate team.
Next question.
Really, really important question here. Who's going to win the Super Bowl this weekend?
Well, I mean, obviously.
Next question. We're club level at the stadium, and behind us is the Nashville skyline.
We're here to remind you that buying a house doesn't have to be stressful. With the right team, it can be fun.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. We had a ton of fun shooting it, and we really appreciate everyone here who's helped us out today. Please take the time to share this video, and we look forward to working with you guys in 2019.
We'll see you next Tuesday.
Bye.